A mayfly is born at dawn, mates by noon, and is gone before nightfall. A bristlecone pine can live nearly 5,000 years, older than the pyramids. Life stretches from a single afternoon to almost forever. So where do we land? A mouse is old by 3, a whale can pass 200. They are built from nearly the same cells, so what sets the clock? Your body is a machine built to last about a century, and that number is no accident. So why 100 years? Why not 500 or forever? To answer that, you have to stop thinking like a person and start thinking like evolution. The uncomfortable truth is that evolution was never trying to keep you alive. It cares about one thing only: copying your genes into the next generation. To those genes, your body is just a vehicle, a disposable machine built to carry them forward. The genes can travel on forever. The body carrying them was never meant to. While you can still reproduce, natural selection guards you fiercely. But the moment your children can survive on their own, nature stops paying attention. Here's the strange part. In the wild, almost nothing ever dies of old age. Predators, hunger, cold, and plain bad luck kill most animals long before they could grow old. So few ever get old at all, and evolution can't protect what it almost never sees. Biologists call this blind spot the selection shadow. The older you get, the weaker evolution's grip. Any harmful gene that stays quiet until late in life slips through generation after generation. Over millions of years, your genome quietly filled with thousands of these late-blooming flaws. And some genes do worse than slip through. They are rewarded for harming you later. A gene that helps you at 20 can spread even if it wrecks you at 70. Biologists call this trade-off antagonistic pleiotropy, and your DNA is full of it. The very signals that build you up in youth can later feed cancer and decay. Underneath all of it runs one simple economy. Your body lives on a strict energy budget every single day. That energy can build new life or repair the body you already have, but rarely both. And evolution almost always spends it on reproduction, letting the repairs slide. You can even watch this bargain play out inside a single cell. Each time a cell divides, the protective caps on its DNA, the telomeres, grow shorter. When those caps run out, the cell can no longer divide, and your tissues slowly wear down. But here's the twist: none of this is a law of physics. A naked mole rat lives 30 years and barely seems to age at all. And one tiny jellyfish can rewind its own body to a younger state over and over again. Aging isn't broken biology. It's a bargain evolution struck, and could have struck differently. We've used medicine, warmth, and safety to escape the predators and accidents. So now we live long enough to feel a repair bill evolution never expected us to pay. For the first time, scientists are asking whether that ancient bargain can be rewritten. So aging isn't a disease or a mistake. It's the price of a body tuned to reproduce, not to last. Roughly 100 years is simply where that ancient bargain settles. You were never built to live forever. You were built to pass the torch. Maybe the real question was never how to live forever, but what we do with the century we're given.